This is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. The display size of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro is 6.8 inches. According to Tecno, the Camon 19 Pro uses a gamut display panel, but that's incorrect. The actual display panel of the Camon 19 Pro is IPS LCD with high color gamut. We don't know why Tecno decides to hide that, but anyways, the IPS LCD display comes with 120Hz refresh rate support and has a peak brightness of 500 nits. As per the design, the Camon 19 Pro comes with two rings on the rear that houses three camera sensors. On the front, it has a simple punch hole that houses the selfie camera. The phone also has very slim bezels, flat screen, sharp edges, and it's about 9mm thick. Under direct sunlight, it's a little difficult to see the screen, but its refresh rate is smooth and fast. The design of the Camon 19 Pro also looks very simple. The chipset inside the Tecno Camon 19 Pro is the MediaTek Helio G96. This chipset is built on a 12nm process node technology, and has a maximum CPU frequency of 2.05 GHz. For gaming and graphic work, it uses the ARM Mali G57MC2 GPU. And it has an estimated maximum download speed of 1.5 gigabits per second. When it comes to performance, this chipset is not the best, but it's pretty good. The chipset won't allow you to play graphic-intensive games in very high settings. To be able to play such games as PUBG and Call of Duty, the chipset will reduce the graphics settings and drop the frame rates. Tecno Camon phones are camera smartphones, and the Camon 19 Pro lives up to that tradition. The Camon 19 Pro comes with a 64MP primary camera with RGBW sensor, OIS, and laser AF, a 2 bokeh lens, a 50MP portrait lens, and a 32MP front camera. It also has a quad flash, but you might not need it when taking night photos, because the phone has night mode and super night mode features for its cameras. The cameras of the Camon 19 Pro can take sharp photos during the day and night time. As a camera smartphone, there are lots of camera features available in this phone. You can choose from tons of pre-installed backgrounds, or allow some AI work when taking shots. The RGBW sensor does a good job at balancing the colors, and the laser AF also works like magic, as the phone can focus on objects in 0.1 seconds. When it comes to videography, the Camon 19 Pro can shoot steady videos in 2K resolution. It has an OIS feature and a gyro IS feature that helps to stabilize photos and video shots. Even at night, you can also shoot nice videos, and for its price, the photo and video qualities of the Camon 19 Pro are really good. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro comes with 8GB RAM, and it also has support for memory fusion. It comes with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, and also has support for storage expansion via a micro SD card slot. As per software, the Tecno Camon 19 Pro boots iOS 8.6 based on Android 12 out of the box. Tecno promises 1 year of major software updates and 2 years of monthly security patches for this phone. The Camon 19 Pro is powered by a 5000 mAh battery with support for a 33 watts fast charge. You can charge this phone from 0 to 100% in about 60 minutes. When fully charged, this phone can take you for 8 hours. And under heavy usage, you can get 5 hours of use. For light users, you can get more than 24 hours of use with this phone. There are so many good things about the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, as there is also some room for improvements. The Camon 19 Pro features a fast refresh rate, good battery life, really good cameras, a beautiful design, and is very comfortable to hold. But it's relatively expensive, has an average chipset, and is not ideal for gaming. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more videos. Bye for now.